alam kong gustong-gusto nyo ng hiring video, 'di ba? Meron pa ding isa. Eto. My Korean boss is looking for one lang pala. One female who can teach every Thursday at 9 p.m. The class is focused on writing, speaking. 1 hour class duration. Pay is 300 pesos per hour. Send your resume or CV introduction video to his Gmail. david.chung07@outlook.com. So, kung sino man yung ma-hire nito, ang swerte naman kasi isa lang pala yung hinahanap. Hindi ko to na review kanina kasi talagang screenshot ko lang kung sino yung hiring. And this is not bad because 300 pesos 1 hour, that's very big. At every Thursday lang, so talagang okay lang siya pang part-time, parang sideline mo lang siya. And guys, I hope na hindi kayo mawala ng pag-asa na mag-ESL. Kasi ako, may friend din ako na sinasabihan ko na mag-try siya, gato ganyan. And good news naman kasi talagang nagpapabili na siya ng noise cancelling headset. Ako pa pina-order niya. Yun lang.